Hello, welcome to Mystic Mirror. And today our trip to Poovar. Poovar is a popular tourist destination located in Trivandrum, Kerala. It is known for its serene backwaters, lush greenery, and pristine beaches. Boating in Poovar is a delightful experience that allows visitors to explore the breathtaking natural beauty of the region. The boating experience in Poovar typically take place in Poovar Backwaters, which are a network of interconnected lakes, canals, and rivers. These backwaters are surrounded by coconut groves, mangrove forest, and picturesque landscapes, creating an tranquil and enchanting atmosphere. Tourists can choose from various types of boat for the boating excursion. The most common options include traditional wooden houseboats, motorized boats, and canoes. We can witness the mesmerizing sight of the backwater, such as the floating lotus flowers, vibrant bird life, and the occasional sightseeing of dolphins. The calm water and the gentle breeze create a peaceful ambience and making it an ideal escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. You might also catch a glimpse of local fishermen engaging in traditional fishing techniques here. The boat ride in Poovar typically lasts for a few hours, allowing you to immerse yourself in the serene surrounding and soak up the natural beauty. It is a perfect opportunity to relax, unwind, and connect the nature. And please let me know your experience too. I will give the details in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. I will give all the details in the description box. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.